Let us see how to install Xcode on Mac OS X operating system. See, go to App Store and inside App Store search for Xcode. Already I have Xcode installed on this machine. See, here is Xcode. An option is available for updating it. So if I have to update, I can update it. If it is not installed, then this button will be for installation of Xcode. So you can click on this one and install Xcode on your machine. And the other method of installing Xcode is go to terminal and at command line say Xcode select install. See here the message I am getting is command line tools are already installed. Use software update to install update. So already Xcode is available. If it is not available, then it will install it. Once it is installed, you can start using Xcode. So first of all, I will show you how to create a new project for C language. Then later I will show you how to create a project for C++. The method is similar, just we have to select the language at the time of creating a project. So let us create a new project. So click on the file menu and say new, and inside that new option there is an option available called project. So say new project. And here it opens and it will ask which type of project you want. So here we are writing command line application, so select command line tool. Then it will ask for the project name, so you can mention any project name, like I will say first project is my first. I will call it as my first. Then I will select the language as C language. Here you can see in the drop down there are more than one languages available, so we can select C as well as C++ also. So I'll be using the same IDE for writing the programs using C language as well as C++. So let us select C language and say next. Now here it will ask the destination folder where you have to create a project. So you can select any folder where you want your projects to be stored. So say create. Now a new project is created. So these are the general properties of a project. So on the left hand side bar, here is the project browser, that is file explorer. So you can click on the file that is main.c. Yeah, here is the ready-made source code given for writing the basic program, and also comments are there. So if you don't want, you can remove these comments, and inside the main function also some comments are there. I'll remove them. Yeah, here is a perfect C language main function. Now by default something is written here, that is print hello world. So if I run the program, it will print hello world. So let us run the program and see. And here is the output window. Hello world is displayed, and later on the program ends with exit code 0. So the program has terminated. Now on this left hand side, right hand side, we have the bar. So if you want to remove the bars, you can go on the right top corner of a screen and you can hide these panels. So you can hide these panels, and even you can hide this output bar. Again, you can open it up, you can pop it up, or you can hide it. So this is how we can start a new project and we can develop the project. Now let us go to this. Now let us go to the project panel. Now inside this, if you want to add new files, like if you have to include any header files, you can include them here. You can just say right click, and a pop-up you can say new file, and you can select the file type that you want to include in this project. So sometime we may be using header files, so we can pop up this header file. And the benefit of using Xcode is that we can easily debug the program and see it's working line by line. So I can add a breakpoint here. So this is a breakpoint, and if I run the program, it will come down to this line and stop. So up to here it will run and it will stop. Yeah, here it is a debug area. You can see the contents of the variables that are used inside the function or inside the program. So it's easy for me to explain the working of a program. So for my explanation purpose, I am using Xcode. You can use any IDE for developing your applications. So throughout this course, I'll be using Xcode. The reason I have told you, so I can explain you the things more clearly. That's it. Next, I will show you how to create a C++ project. Create new Xcode project and let it be command line tool. Next, and here select the language as C++. There are other languages also available, so I'll give the project name as my first. and it's asking for the destination where this project should be stored. So select the destination folder. Now the project is created, and this is the program file. Here already hello world program is created, so you can remove the comments and here you can start writing your code. So let us run this one and check. Yeah, here in this window the output is displayed. So if you want, you can remove these panels, and here the output is, so you can extend or the size of this one. So this is a watch window where you can see the contents of the variables if you have any variables in your program, and this is the output window. So you can show and hide this output window from this toolbar. That's it.